in the area square AFGE. So this small square is inside a square ABCD such that G is on the arc BD, which is centered at CDC is equal to 8. That means the side of this bigger square and the radius of this bigger quarter circle is equal to 8 units. This is 8. What is the area of AFGE? So we have to find AFGE. That means we need to find the side of this smaller square. So let's just quickly make a few constructions. The very first thing, the very first property in the circle that we need to remember is that if we find any point on the circumference, we must join that point with the center, because that distance becomes equal to the radius. So this length is also equal to 8 units. Now understand one thing, that because AG is the diagonal of this small square, that's called the side of this small square is x, so I can say that AG will have the length equal to x square root of 2, and AC is the diagonal of the bigger square, and we can say that AC is equal to 8 square root of 2, because the diagonal in case of a square can be given as side multiplied by square root of 2. That comes from Pythagoras theorem. So what we see is that out of AC, if I subtract CG, right? Let me just write it down. So what I'm saying is that AC minus CG will be equal to AG. That's a principle that I'm going to quickly work on, because I know the length of AC, and the length of AC we have written here is 8 square root of 2. The length of CG we know is equal to the radius, which is equal to 8, and that should be equal to AG, which is equal to x square root of 2. Now we just need to simplify to find the side x. So x becomes equal to 8 times square root of 2 minus 1 divided by square root of 2, which means this can be written as 4 square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 minus 1. Now the question is, what is the area of AFGE? So the area of AFGE is equal to x square, which is equal to 4 square root of 2 root 2 minus 1 whole square. So now we square it, so 4 square becomes 16, root 2 square becomes 2, and root 2 minus 1 square. Now we are going to use the property, the algebraic property, a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that's the property we have used. So 32 bracket 3 minus 2 root 2, that should be our answer, which is option B. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.